Hi there, today I'd like to take a look at this toy. It's for ages 1.5 to 3 years old, 34-piece puzzle set, and here are the different pieces that you get. Lots of different pieces. So it comes in the box like this. Take this out. And then you've got this good sized little toy box, which is handy. Now this plastic is thin, but it's actually kind of soft plastic, so that's kind of nice for the little ones. But then you got this lid, and then you've got all these different pieces over here. Then you've got this. Show you. This is the one here.
A pig.
And here are some other sets.
I get a pig. What are those pieces?
The slide. Here, you want to take a look?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Wow, yes. These are all toy box. Hey, Mommy, we need a slide. The outside are all the playground. Okay, these are another piece. They are good. We need an elephant.
Okay, let's make the elephant. So first we need elephant. What color is the elephant?
Blue.
Blue. All right. Wait. You got to look at the picture. All right. So first we have this piece,
Okay.
and then we're going to stick, look, these two little pieces on.
Okay. I love you.
Yeah, you got a blue piece too. Good job. So we're going to stick these two pieces, and these are going to be the elephant's legs. And, oh, good job. Wait, is there another piece? Oh, there's this piece here.
First, stay better. No pieces. Mommy, look.
And then we're going to stick his head
Yeah.
over here. How's that? Okay. Now, here are the bananas. And then the bananas can go down the slide. Whee! Here. Put it down like that. And then where's the banana? Look! Dakota, look! Banana goes down the slide.
They're over here.
Yeah? Anyway, so that's how this works. These are nice quality pieces.
We need a giraffe.
Yeah, giraffe. What color is a giraffe?
Yeah.
Yellow. Good job. Make a little train. They are color-coded, which is nice for all the different animals. Your giraffe, your alligator, the lion. So they're good quality pieces. Nice and large. No real sharp spots or anything. And yeah, just nice toy. So, yep. Very nice toy. There you go. If there are any questions, go ahead and leave them for me in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.